Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Zoeller sump pump isn't working the way it should, it can be a serious concern, especially when you rely on it to keep your basement dry. You might notice it not turning on, running continuously, making unusual noises, or simply not pumping water out effectively. These issues can feel urgent, but in many cases, the cause is something simple like a stuck float switch, power issue, or blockage in the system. The challenge is that the pump doesn't always clearly tell you what's wrong, which makes troubleshooting feel overwhelming. The good thing is that by checking a few key areas step by step, you can often identify and fix the problem quickly without needing immediate repairs. Try these. Step 1. Check that the pump is properly plugged in and receiving power. Step 2. Inspect the float switch to make sure it moves freely and isn't stuck. Step 3. Clear any debris or blockages from the pump and discharge pipe. Step 4. Ensure the check valve is installed correctly and not stuck. Step 5. Listen for unusual noises that may indicate a motor or impeller issue. Step 6. If the problem continues, consider servicing or replacing the pump.